In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dashboard on Monday.com. If you want a simple way to organize data, track progress, and view important information all in one place, creating a dashboard is a great option. Dashboards in Monday.com help bring together insights from your boards so you can monitor work more efficiently. The good news is that setting one up only takes a few clicks. To get started, open your Monday.com workspace and look near the workspace area for the plus icon. This is the button you'll use to create something new within that space. Go ahead and click the plus icon. If you're new to the platform, this menu is basically your shortcut for adding new items like boards, docs, and dashboards, so it's a good tool to remember. Once the menu opens, click on Dashboard. This tells Monday.com that instead of creating another board or document, you want to build a dashboard. A dashboard is especially useful when you want a more visual, high-level summary of your projects or team activity. After selecting Dashboard, you'll be asked to choose the privacy setting. This step is important because it controls who will be able to view and access the dashboard. Take a moment to choose the privacy option that best fits your needs. For example, you may want the dashboard to be visible to a broader team, or you may prefer more limited access depending on the type of information it contains. Choosing the right privacy setting at the beginning can save time later and help keep your workspace organized. Once you've selected the privacy setting you want, click on Create Dashboard. That will create the new dashboard and add it to your workspace. At this point, your dashboard is ready to be customized. While the creation itself is complete after clicking that button, remember that the real value of a dashboard comes from how you use it to display and track your work. A clearly named and properly placed dashboard can make reporting and day-to-day monitoring much easier. And that's it. To add a dashboard on Monday.com, click the plus icon near the workspace, select Dashboard, choose your privacy setting, and then click Create Dashboard. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference in how you manage and visualize information inside your workspace.